Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. So this solution also applicable for Windows 10. So you have to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So in the first step, just go to the search bar and type your task manager and then click here to open it. Once we are here, click on run new task and then select the browse button. Once we are here, we need to select this PC, then open C drive, then open Windows folder, and now we have to find out the system32 folder. So just double click on it to open it, then find out cmd.exe file. So just keep scrolling down until we found this file. So just select this file and click on open. Now check this box, create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute the commands. Two commands. The first one is gp update. So type here gp update and hit enter. You have to hit enter to execute this command and wait for some time to complete the process. So this will take some time. After that, type in chkdsk space c colon and hit enter. So this will take a lot of time, around 4 to 5 minutes. So let's complete this one, and after that we will enable the microphone accesses on the Windows system. And then once the command is completed, you have to type exit to close the command prompt. Type exit and hit enter. Now you have to just right click on this start icon and then select settings. Once we're here, we need to just click on these three lines and go to the privacy and select the privacy and security. Again scroll down and from the app permissions, click on the microphone and you have to turn on this option, microphone access. Again turn on this option, let apps access your microphone, and turn on these all the applications. After that, turn on the last one. So close this window. So that's it guys, your problem will be solved. You have to just restart the system. Check out the pinned comment and please do subscribe the channel and like the video.